Hi, I'm Kathy Clayton of Kathy Clayton Coaching. I'm a relationship change coach.
I'm Erin Merrihew, communication and leadership coach and trainer in compassionate communication.
And I'm Emily Paul with Holistic Healing Arts. And together we are so excited to invite you to a workshop that we have planned on intentional mother-daughter relationships, an experience of authentic connection.
Mother-daughter relationships are very complex, and sometimes the dynamics that occur at the origin of those relationships don't end up serving us later in life. So this is an opportunity to explore and look at how those connections are serving us or not, and to really refresh those connections so we can relate in a more authentic way.
And the thing is, all of us are daughters, but only some of us are mothers. And so this is an opportunity to come and explore what does it mean to be in each of those roles? How are you relating to each other? What does it mean? How do things change over time? Now, how are we going to do that? Well, first off, we're going to look at the Enneagram. This is a wonderful resource for understanding how do we first off relate to ourselves, and then how are we relating to other people. You're going to learn how to use this information and apply it so that long after you're done with this workshop, your relationships are going to continue to grow and thrive.
We will also be bringing in compassionate communication, which is a modality that supports us to have open-hearted interactions. We'll be learning concrete tools that you can use immediately that bring vulnerability and courage into our interactions and also set us free from old patterns that aren't serving us in how we connect.
And finally, we'll be exploring tools brought forward by Angeles Arrien, a cultural anthropologist who researched and taught cross-cultural indigenous wisdom. One of the areas that she focused on was the second half of life. And what she found is that there's two distinct periods in our life. One is from the age of 1 to 35. And during that time, we're exploring who we are. We're looking at our gifts and our talents. And at 35, we cross a threshold into what is called the second half of life. And in the second half of life, we get to reconnect with and reclaim our authentic self as we both prepare for and step into our wisdom years and elderhood. So if you're a mother or a daughter and you're in or nearing the second half of life, this workshop is specifically for you.
So to all of you wonderful mothers or daughters, we invite you to join us. And if you feel excited, maybe even a little bit nervous to go on this journey, we welcome you. We can't wait to dive in with you.